Hello friends, I got a new soundbar today. I've been using the Pioneer SBX101 for a long time, and I thought it was time for change to hit a new soundbar and try using a different brand and see for myself how good it will turn out. So I got this LG SJ3 because I've got a LG Zoom Bluetooth speaker, portable Bluetooth speaker before, and it was very good. So I thought this time I'll try LG soundbar, wireless soundbar. This is a wireless soundbar with subwoofer. It's got 300 watts. Normally my oldest soundbars were like maximum 150 to 200. So this is for the first time I'm trying 300. So I got it delivered today from Amazon, and the pricing is like when it is an offer, it is like 8,000 rupees, and then it goes up to 11,000. So in and out. So basically the lowest price it sells for is around 8,000 now. So let's do the unboxing. I'm doing the unboxing now, and I will do a review later on. Firstly, before going to do the unboxing, I'll just read out what exactly is in here. I just want to read out from this side, so I'll start. It's got adaptive sound control, or ASC, adaptive sound control. That means it will adapt to the music scenario and situation by itself automatically, so, which is good because for the first time I'm hearing such a thing. Adaptive sound control, ASC, LG's technology, and it's got a I'll have to turn it around because this is upside down. Okay, so let me turn it around. Okay, yeah, now it's perfect. Okay, so yeah, it starts with adaptive sound control, real-time audio mastering. Control this with your TV remote as well. Control the LG soundbar with your TV remote control, which is very good because I like to use a single remote for almost all my devices. So this is one good option, which I've not found in my former Pioneer or Blopong or JBL soundbars. And it says Bluetooth auto standby. Okay, so I don't know really exactly what it is, but ready to turn and play. Bluetooth auto standby. Sound sync wireless, which is I'm not sure about that. Bluetooth, USB host, wireless subwoofer, Dolby audio, which is very good. DTS digital surround. So almost everything inside this compact soundbar. It's got an optical cable included. So what we're going to do is now unbox it and see what is inside. So I'm just going to unbox it. Before unboxing, I'm going to put it straight. Okay, so let's do the basics, where I'm going to cut here. Okay. First, let me take it off. But that's done. And yeah, there is another part. Okay. Done. Okay, this is done. Okay, half out. So let's see what is in here. I'm sweating because, friends, my AC is actually not working, and it's summer here. It's very, very hot and humid. So here is the remote control, the LG remote control, which is in here, and there is an optical cable right here with the batteries with the remote, optical manual, and remote control batteries. And those are the first two things which I found: the manual, optical cable, remote batteries, and remote in here. So let's cut off the other areas. Okay, done. Now the third portion is cut. The plug, the AC adapter. Now I think it's Let's take it up like, okay, I've got it here as well. Yeah, I need to cut it here as well. Done that. That's also done. Okay, now fully open. Let you take it out. Okay, take it off. Take it off. This is the subwoofer. Cut it off. Done. Okay. I will keep the AC adapter here. I'll take off the thermocol. Very compact, very compact soundbar, which I like. You know, I like small footprints. Okay, that makes a lot of noise. Thermocol. Beautiful, much better than the Pioneer. The design is fine, and there's a lot of, you know, the groovy dotted design in here. Dotted, very good, very compact. Loved it. Okay, so let me keep it here. I'll take off soundbar. Now what we're going to do is we're going to take this off and put it on the side. Okay. Take off remote. So yeah, the manual, the cable, remote, and this is a bracket for if you want to fit it in a wall. I'll take off the soundbar as well. Two plug adapters, one for your subwoofer, wireless subwoofer, and one for your soundbar. It's very hot in here, and unfortunately my AC is not working. Okay. So this is it. It's a very different design, open design. It's not closed. You can see the speakers, and very well built when you compare with Pioneer or basic models of other soundbars. Very well built, you know, like sculpted. It's got a small, you know, like display in here. I think it should be an LED display, and then, you know, like what adapter sound control and all these things written, which I've said it before. Dolby, and this is a power button, volume up and down button, function button, and behind it is there is optical. Okay, there is an optical in. Behind there is an optical in, and there is a normal 3.5mm in as well. So what I'm going to do now, friends, is going to test it. I'm going to take off my Pioneer SBX101, use it with my TV, see for myself how good it is, and then come out with the audio test. So that's what I'm going to do. This was a messy sort of unboxing because there was no AC, base is not working, very hot here, and the camera pan angle I couldn't make up you know, the way I wanted it to be. There is some issue with the angles. So you know, I had to make one video, so I've made it, this unboxing. I don't know, hopefully it satisfies you people. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.